Welcome back guys to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about Alchemy Pay plan for 2023. And you have to understand this coin now in this current moment is pretty overbought. Yes, and in this video I will explain you why and why we maybe will see the better entry point for the long run. Let's dive in. First of all, don't be scared about this intro. Alchemy Pay is a great project with a good fundamental, with utility, with a partnership, with adoption in real life. So this coin had a bright future in general. But you always have to understand the technical picture of this coin. And on this channel, we analyze all the technical picture of this coin, the metrics, the my indicator set, what they show, because fundamental is great. Fundamental is totally great. But do you remember the QBSYLUHV hard fork on Cardano? All these media posts, all these headlines, all these upgrades, updates, partnership is cool, but it's not a necessary. It can be the driver to the moon. It can just not affect the price at all, because a lot of people just watch oh, we got a headline about the partnership with this. Oh, we got Solana got a partnership with Google Cloud Mining, and after that, on the next day, Solana dropped 69%. That's why you always have to get a critical mind, zoom out and double check what's going on now in the current situation. That's why let's dive into the chart and take a look what my indicator shows and how low we can drop in most negative scenario and how high we can pump this year. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basic technical analysis. And like you can see, in 2021, in July and August, Alchemy Pay made just insane gains, over than 16k percentage pump. Just in 1 month, just one candle. Just a pure example how the big whales, big players can just pump coin and redistribute their coins. If we go and double check the market cap, here you can find out. So the coin from 3 million, just 3 million market cap, going to a $500 million. Almost $500 million in 1 month. This is just example. Everything is possible in crypto. That's why I use indicators, because I can see what's going on inside this coin with accumulation, distribution, zones of interest, where I can start selling it, where I need to start accumulate based on my trading strategy. Of course, it's hard to analyze the FIB on this chart with this huge candle, but if we got this top, and here's the first support, main support, then correction to 38 level FIB. We came in like almost every single altcoins in 27 zone. But like you can see, we didn't touch 27 level. 27 level, now it's 0.2047. And the most interesting things here, we leave this huge weekly gap. So yes, we have all chances. Just in case, it's not an answer, we have to come back and close this gap, but we have all chances come back later, maybe in June, maybe in September, if something happen in the world, because we can't predict the macro, we can't predict the geopolitics. A lot of people still not believe the conflict between the United States and China. Trust me, everything can happen in the world. So we can see even the move like this one, you know, on Alchemy Pay and test 27 zone. Because for people who bought it here, they still, look, they still in a profit. They still in the profit, almost 3,000%. They still in profit. That's why the guys who bought it here and accumulate during all this time period, for example, they can withdraw step by step at this level, this level, this level, and accumulate a little bit here, pump it and dump it once again. So everything can happen in crypto, because the most likely what people want to see on the chart, they want to see just like this move and going up, but it won't happen. Just take a look. The market cap at this point at the top of 20 cents here was $500 million. All right, so now market cap is 200 millions. So if, and the circulation supply 51%. So if we reach now the market cap around 500 millions, the price will be just around 6-7 cents. So around this level, around 23 level by Fib. So it's a big difference, between 8 cents and 20 cents. That's why you have to analyze in a complex everything what's going on. Of course, the news, the partnership is just drive the market, but you have to understand the technical picture of this coin and the logic and the psychology of the whales and investors who pump this coin, who accumulate and distribute this coin. Because any single big move on a coins, it's just market makers give you the direction. Retail investors can't pump the coin like this one. Or even like this one. The market makers give you the sign, give you the trend, and retail investors just jump in. And the most important things is jump in the right time and out in the right time also. That's why based on this chart, we still got 27 level, like a potential drop for this coin in the most horrible scenario. If we will see something like this one, once again, we will be in a downtrend. For Alchemy Pay, it's one target. The maximum targets I will show you on a take profit indicator for this year. So it's 23 level by Fib. It's around between 8 cents till 0.5 level by Fib. In this area, you can fix some part of your position if you buy in here. It will be more than enough. Just trust me, it will be more than enough for this year. So if you bought it here, accumulate here at this level, you will get around 900% profit, around 0.5 level by Fib, you will get 1K and 500% profit. It's more than good for 2023. But of course, it's not financial wise. You can do whatever you want with your money. It's just my vision of this coin. If we take a look of a fixed volume range, we're going from top to the bottom here. We can see we pass the most crucial level from sellers. We trade few weeks, 3 weeks here. So we got impulse, sideways impulse. Now we trade one more time in impulse. So most likely we can forming something like this one, breaking out and going even to 12 cents. When we pass 10 cents or even 8 cents, you can see a lot of news and the partnership for Alchemy Pay and everybody scream we go into $1. But just to be honest, I don't think so. The Alchemy Pay will hit 10 billion market cap this year. Or even next year. Of course, everything possible. Shiba Inu got 42 billion market cap. Just a meme coin without utility, nothing. Just a marketing, just a perfect marketing. All depends of your strategy, your risk management, and it's only your money, your responsibility. So it's just my vision. So now let's dive into indicators. And this indicator got pretty good win rate. So like you can see here on a weekly time frame and a monthly time frame. On a monthly, we are in distribution zone. So sooner or later, we will see the top for this year and it will be the time to sell. We didn't see accumulation on a monthly time frame. On a weekly time frame, here we got a huge accumulation in June. Last time we got this accumulation and the pump. Now we got same accumulation and the pump 3K%. Now we drop it down. So look, that's why I use indicators. We distribute, the big whales distribute this coin, but the price still continue move up. And the time to buy Alchemy Pay on a weekly time frame, like investment, will be when we start forming the huge divergency on the chart. And trust me, it can be even something like this one. The move down and drop it, forming the lower low on the chart, but higher high on the accumulation distribution zone. So now accumulation was here in June, July 2022. So all this move is just distribution. So the big players distribute their coins, which they accumulated here or here. So just in case, I just show you my indicator set. This indicator set got pretty good win rate. Crypto fly direction. We have a room for growth. We have a still room for growth on a weekly time frame. Even on a weekly time frame, we don't see any signal to sell, no signal to buy on a weekly. So we have a room for growth. Up here, chart, we can hit 8 cents. And in this area, I think we will start see the signals to close position, recommendation close position, and signal to sell. On the daily time frame, with the direction, you can see we got here how it played out before. We got a signal to sell here, and we drop it after this signal to sell. Here, we drop it almost 50%. This is how these indicators play out. And here we got a signal to buy. Here, confirmation. Not here, not here, not here. That's why this indicator uses a lot of metrics inside. And after this confirmation to buy on a daily, everything depends of your trading style. You can trade on 4-hour time frame or on 12-hour time frame, on daily, on weekly. I most likely like investments, like a swing tradings. I use daily, weekly, monthly. And intraday, I use 1 hour, 4-hour, 12-hour time frame and lower. So here's a pump from the signal to buy, 500%. So it's good win rate. Let's go to weekly time frame once again. Market mood. Market mood, look, it's one of the not many altcoins which in total greed zone now. Last time we see this extreme red color in August 2021. That's why on market mood, it's not a time to jump into this coin. Time to jump in was here from June till January, this period, when we see the white color mood on a weekly time frame. Also, one more confirmation why we can see the move to 8 cents, because it will be there here. We almost every single time close 50%, at least 50% of the week like this one. So it will be here, premium discount. So here's the equilibrium of this premium discount zone, and it will be a little bit higher. So we will close 50% of this gap. Let's go to another one. Money power I'm not analyzed because it's more for scalping. Here's a trade on. We got signal to sell here at 1 cent. Recommendation close position. So when you see that triangle, you can close your position and try and open the position in opposite way. So it's just a recommendation. Here's a signal to sell, not at the top here because we got a huge wicks here. Here's a recommendation close position, recommendation close position on a weekly. On a daily, we got a lot of signal to buy here. Exactly at the bottom. Here we got a pure signal to buy. Here, 2 signal to buy. At 0.2074, 2 signal to buy. So now it's only up to you what to do with your position. On a monthly, if we zoom out, no signals, not enough history for this coin. So on a weekly, we got 2 major signals to sell. So we can see something like this one more signal to sell and drop. Or we can drop even from this current price because Alchemy Pay is kind of overbought now. And the last one, what I would like to show you, you will be so impressed. It's take profit indicator. And I would like to show you on a weekly here. Like you know from my previous video, every single time when we trade under fundamental price, it's good time to buy. But all these lines are dynamic. And look, now we got reaction from the buy line. So here's a fundamental price, here's a buy line. Buy line, we get reaction, reaction, reaction. Here, we get a pump. Reaction from the buy line, drop, reaction from the fundamental price. Now the road is open to, like you can see the lines start curve up. The road is open to take profit. It's 6 cents 65. Exit line now at 7 cents and 50. But we can see the weak candle like this one, for example. So we can see easily the move like this one. And it will be something like this one on a chart. Then we can drop it down one more time. Every single time when we touch take profit, it's good time to fix your position. Even it's a daily time frame or a weekly time frame. Here, buy line, take profit, reaction. Take profit, exit line, reaction. We going over then exit line on the daily, but we just test the buy line on the weekly. So the higher time frame, the strongest signal. That's why I highly recommend you use this indicator set because it's give you the almost totally transparent picture what's going on with your favorite coins on totally different time frames. guys, I hope you like this video about Alchemy Pay. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM. And subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.